Hi, I'm David Peabody. I'm one of the principals at Peabody Fine Architects, and we do zero energy houses. We're standing in one in Vienna, Virginia that was completed last year. And we're looking behind me at FAKRO skylights, which have been a game changer for us in terms of passive house design. These are wonderful in that they're totally operable. They can be controlled with electric motors. They can also have integral shades, which you can see that are in these. These are triple insulated windows, and they're triple sealed in terms of how they close. So they're very airtight and very insulated. These skylights perform quite well in terms of weather as well. You can leave them open, and if it starts to rain, they automatically shut with a rain sensor. And as far as wind loads, they're so tight and they're so well sealed that you really don't get leakage, even in extreme weather events.